Hello everyone, this is Tai. Today I'm gonna make a video, an unboxing video in English, because this is my design team box from the Glittery Hands box subscription, box subscription. So I'm going to show you the box from June. So the theme was unicorns, so we'll probably see a lot of unicorns. So let's get started. I haven't opened it yet, so we will discover this together. As usual, in your box you always get a little leaf like this, leaflet like this, with some information, ideas, and etc. from Emma, the shop owner. See, here's my layout, the layout I made with the box from the month of May. So, and you see also, you also see what's gonna be the next month's theme: rainbows, and some ideas and of DIYs. Okay, so let's see what's in here. I'm gonna take off this the box. I love how this is packaging is so cute, holds everything together. Okay, so in this month's box we get, as usual, in each box, when you subscribe you will see that in each box you always get a little cute little box of glitter. This is a mix of glitter made by the shop owner, Emma. So here we have pink, a little bit of blue, gold, and a tiny touch of green. I'm gonna open it so you can see what it looks like. Hope I won't put glitter everywhere. You see there is tiny glitter, but also bigger glitter. Right. And in each box you also always get a little pack of sequin mix. So this month's mix is really unicorny. I don't know if we can say that. Anyway, so let's see what's the mix. Here they are. Oh, it's very nice. Oh, we have huge gold sequins. Those are really big. I've never seen a sequin that big. Anyway, very nice. We have a pink, purple, teal, a little bit of white, and some special sequins here. Yeah, very nice mix. Okay, try to put it back. I'm not good at this. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. It's gonna make my desk a little bit glittery, and it's fine. Anyway, what's next? We get a very nice ribbon, glitter ribbon. I don't know if we can see it, but it's white glitter, white and transparent glitter. Piece of ribbon. We get also some puffy paints. In my here it's blue. It's to add color and texture to craft project. I'm gonna try that. I've never used this product before, so it's gonna be a totally surprise and how can I say, a crash test. Okay. What else we get? We get this month. We have this is a stamp from the May kit. I didn't get it, so Emma just nicely put it in my June box, but this is from the May box. So we get a few papers from Sticker Kitten. It's a UK craft brand also. Very nice papers. Unicorn theme. Oh, this one is really cute. I love it. And some craft paper with stars. Some paper with tickets. Hot air balloons and other stars. This is really nice. Love it. So, what else? We have some adhesive pearls, which is really cute too. They are very small and they come in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 different colors. Can't wait to use that. Well, we have some beds also. They are like drops in the shape of a drop. And there are beds, so you can put a thread through it. Yeah, like that. It's very nice. And then we have some paper that Emma designs herself. This paper, unicorn paper with the stripes, and the other one is all those arrows, very nice too, in the pink and purple colors. And last but not least, I think this is all the small embellishments. Yes, let's see what's in there. Oops, not easy to open. Anyway, so what do we get here? Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, make sure I didn't forget anything in the bag. So we have cute die cuts also from Sticker Kitten. Hey, this is really nice. And a hot air balloon. Another unicorn. Those little shapes are very nice. Another hot air balloon. The big wheel, a cloud, another smaller cloud, and a third unicorn, a small tickets, other tickets. So these are the paper die cuts. They're really cute. I love them. And we have also wood shapes, wood veneers. Oh, this is so cute. The unicorn is really nice. And we have also the how do you call that? It's a carousel. I wasn't sure of the word in English, but it's a carousel. So cute. And some tickets. Oh, these are wood veneers, but they are engraved. So perfect. And a star, a heart, another ticket, and some more stars. It's very thick wood pieces, so it's nice to add some dimension to any project or to my layouts and stuff. And we have a cute little unicorn. Oh, it's very shiny unicorn. This is really nice, like that. Okay, and last but not least, we have all those nice rainbow colored brads. They are really tiny ones. It's perfect. I like everything that is cute, tiny and cute. So that's it. I think we've run through all the content of the kit of June on the unicorn theme. So I'm happy to have done this unboxing video, because I wanted not to do already other unboxing videos with my previous boxes, but I really didn't have the time. So I'm glad I had the time, especially for this box, because I'm a totally unicorn fan. I have all kinds of stuff with the unicorns on them, so so here it is. I'm taking back all the stuff like that, so you can see what's inside. So if you're interested, so do not hesitate to check out the website. It's the Glittery Hands box. I will put the link below. You can subscribe for multiple months, or just check it out, and There's the regular box, but there is also, if you have a smaller budget, there is also the small box. So do not hesitate to check it out. If you have questions, you can ask me below also, and I'll see you very soon, probably for our first project using all these amazing stuff. So stay with me, stay tuned, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.